King, will you look at this main event? Two surefire Hall of Famers, Triple H versus John Cena.
Man, it doesn't get any better or bigger than this. Who's going to win this matchup? This is going to be an all-time classic.
Cena with momentum early on.
Ow. Oh, man, what impact from that suplex. Well, he was able to reverse and get out of that.
Avoids the impact there.
A textbook reversal. Can he follow up?
Oh, man, he got turned inside out.
Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt. Oh, out of nowhere.
Here we go with John Cena.
And there's the reversal.
Oh, did you see that? His body twisting and turning in a sickening way. John Cena with a nice reversal.
You know, there isn't a performer who's had a bigger impact in WWE over the past decade than John Cena. And sure, maybe he's got his share of detractors, but that comes with any territory when you go into every battle with as much attitude and perseverance as Cena does.
And he hits the drop kick. What impact.
Oh, wait, nice reversal. Oh, and the reversal by John Cena.
And Triple H with a reversal.
And that's because the game has a gift for getting out of trouble, Cole.
Cena with a textbook counter.
Yeah, you know, I know some people don't want to hear it, but the truth is, John Cena is so technically sound.
John Cena has really conquered as many challenges as one superstar can face in WWE, and that includes beating the odds when in that ring against opponents, coming back from near career-ending injuries, and always looking over his shoulder for the next superstar, looking to make a name for themselves at Cena's expense.
Well, you're right about that, Michael, and I'm sure Cena's battles are ones his opponents would like to forget. But I know one thing, John Cena always brings out the best in his opponents because he is always going to be at his best. There's no such thing as going halfway for John Cena.
Oh my, John Cena.
Uh-oh, trying to put him away. That's it, he's out.
He wasted no time going for that pin.
A kick out, and he almost had him. When I think about the history that Triple H has written in this career, it's amazing. I think back to his incredible entrance at WrestleMania 22 when he faced John Cena in Chicago. That procession to the ring set the tone for the entire match. I mean, it was awesome.
And here's John Cena.
Oh, look at the emotion.
You know, we were talking about the incredible way John Cena secured his 10th WWE Championship. The deck was stacked against him on that Night of Champions in 2011.
Yes.
He had to beat Alberto Del Rio, and the Mexican aristocrat had some help. But as he usually does, John Cena dug down deep. He beat the odds, and he claimed the title. Cena was a man possessed that night.
Oh, Cena was possessed.
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Whoa!
He's measuring. Incredible move by John Cena.
We got a cover. Hey, he's going for it again. Incredible move by John Cena.
One. And Triple H powers out. And here's John Cena. Triple H knows how to polish off an opponent.
The physicality. He can barely stand, but he still presses on.
What a reversal.
Cena reversal.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? Ooh.
Again to the neck of Cena's. And don't forget, Cena has sustained a career-threatening neck injury. One has to wonder if the strategy is to test that neck again here tonight.
Uh-oh, look at this. Oh!
Trying to put him away.
Look at this. You don't often see a superstar's own finishing move used against them like this.
And John Cena is still going.
Oh, the reversal by John Cena. Triple H can't be enjoying this.
Oh, look at the emotion. Oh, his body has to be broken right now.
Ooh, John Cena may have it.
Oh, my.
Oh, my gosh. He might make his opponent tap right here.
This is not the position you want to be in.
What's it going to be, Hunter?
Just a dominating display. Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here.
Nice revert.
He thinks he has it. Two. That's it. Wait, only two? Oh, I don't think he got that shoulder up in time. John Cena's feeling it. What happened there? Don't look at me. I'm just as surprised as you are. Great move. Whoa, he's measuring. Good grief. He's setting it up. Cerebral assassin measuring him.
He's adding insult to injury by using that move against his opponent.
Three.
What a win for Triple H.